Royal Caribbean Cruise Line now offers you the newest and largest ships sailing to the Caribbean. Join us for 7-night cruises to the Eastern Caribbean, visiting Labadee, San Juan and St. Thomas, or the Western Caribbean to Cozumel, Grand Cayman, Ocho Rios and Labadee, both departing from Miami weekly. Or set sail from San Juan on the Monarch of the Seas to the Southern Caribbean, cruising to Martinique, Barbados, Antigua, St. Martin and St. Thomas. Not only are our ports of call fabulous destinations, but so are our ships, offering fine dining, shipshape activities in our complete onboard fitness center, and top-name entertainment in theaters as large as those on Broadway. That's just to name a few of these ships' features. With so much to do, sometimes the best thing to do is nothing at all. Take a look now at all that's in store for your next cruise vacation.